Hello! Nandito na naman kami sa farm. Bumili kami ng onions, garlic, and kamote. Hello mga anak! Nandito na naman kami ni daddy nyo. Yan, si daddy nyo namimili pa rin. Good morning, ma'am! Namimili pa rin siya. Oh, you look at that. Ang dami-dami. Persimmon. Because this is the farm where we bought a persimmon. It is a very wide farm of persimmon. This is a persimmon plantation. Oh, you look at that. Oh, it's very big. It's very wide. And you look at their cat. Oh, you look at the cat. It's very big. It's very, really big. Basit lang ti alaam. Di ada mo iti ko na di yan eh.
Well, the difference between that and that is that
Diti kastoy, medyo kastoy.
you gotta have to pack it in the bag.
Patlan. Lima.
Di ay medyo orange. Ang kama.
But right now it's hard.
Daddy got 5 pieces of persimmon and 3 pieces of tomatoes, 3 pieces of kamote, and I got 3 pieces of garlic and 3 pieces of onions. And here we are going to the line now. That is going to the line. Ma'am, can I have that sayote? That sayote. You do not have sayote here? Yeah.
We don't have to. There's somebody have to pick them.
Yeah. If you like, ma'am, I will be the one to pick.
You see one over there?
I have seen 2.
2?
Yeah. I like that sayote
Is
because
the high price or what?
no, it's very low.
No? John? You think we could pick a sayote over there? Someplace low?
I have seen 2, sir. Because back in the Philippines, we have plenty of sayote.
Oh, you like sayote?
Yeah. We
I'll
have.
look for it.
We are looking for sayote here, but I have seen sayote there. I will show you, sir. Because we like sayote very much, because back in the Philippines we have plenty of sayote.
Ay, naidyan mo isa na kita.
And that one, sir.
Stone.
Do you have? If we can find one, so that it is 3. Ay, ditoy. We have it here, sir. We have 1.
Ayan na.
Ayan, oh. Okay.
Sabi tagto yun. Ayan kay kamatis.
This will be enough.
That's enough.
Yeah, because we have seen only 3. We like sayote very much. Okay. Thank you, sir. They have sayote plants here. So that is in the line now. It's going to pay while I will go to the back. Titignan ko yung mga plants nila. Ang dami nilang plants dito na kagaya din ng plants natin dyan sa Philippines. They have here the flowering pichay, which we like it very much back in Baguio. They have it here the flowering pichay and the lemongrass. You look at the lemongrass and the lettuce. They have this red lettuce. Oh, there is the lettuce. They also have that green and that wrinkled one. And these are the tanglad. They also have flowering plants here. And I don't know what the others are. This is a very large farm. Only it's not cultivated very well because this is, I think, owned by two old people. And you look at the tomatoes, it's just like the tomatoes back home, just like the tomatoes along the road east side. You look at them. Oh wow, that I was telling you that it is the eggplant. They died already. Oh, natayon, patay na yung sinasabi kong tarong. Wala na. And they have the chili here. It's already ripe. There, the chili. It's already red. And this is the green bell pepper. And this is, I think, the patani. Ito yung hindi ko alam if this is the cabbage or what, because wala namang bulb, wala namang nabuo na kamatis, wala naman. At dito na naman tayo sa may raspberry nila. Ito raspberry. It is raspberry. There are the raspberry. Malapit nang mamatay. Nakuha na nila yung magagandang raspberry. Maliliit na lang. Oh. You look at that. Oh. Oh, Miguel, you look at the raspberry. This is the raspberry in actual. Raspberry, and there you look at that. It's a very large farm. Farm of different vegetables, different fruit trees, and especially the persimmon. Oh, they have the lavender. This is the lavender. And I do not know what tree is this. It has flowers also. May mga bulaklak pero hindi ko naman alam kung ano to. And they also have corn over here. They have plenty. And I think these are the grapes. But it has no fruit. It has no fruit already. They have harvested. Oh, what are these? Parang aswite. Sweetie. This, what do you call that? Anato fruit in the Philippines, but I think it's not. It has no seeds na red. Ay, Daddy is still there. And I think this is the dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. And they also have plants, ornamental plants like this. They have this chrysanthemum. Pero na-amaze ako dito sa persimmon na ang dami-daming bunga. Wala namang namimili na masyado. Aywan ko. Kasi nag-u-open lang sila tanghali till 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So, who will come here to buy? Only a few. Only the neighboring communities. Oh, look at the fruits in close-up. Oh, there. Ang dami talaga. Ang dami. Ang dami talaga. Ang dami, oh. Ang dami talaga. Nakakaingit. Pero ang mahal naman dito na nga lang sa puno niya $1.80 1 pound. Imagine that. 1 pound is you have only 2 pieces. So ang mahal din. Ang mahal ng fruit na ito, kaya lang masarap nga naman. Masarap ito. It's very crunchy and the sweetness is just enough. It's just right. Hindi masyadong matamis pagka crunchy pa, pero pag hindi na crunchy, yung medyo ripe na talaga, it's very sweet and it's not already advisable for us who have diabetes. It's very sweet really, but if it is just right, the ripeness is just right, it's very sweet, it's very delicious. It has plenty of fruits really, yes. And after this after 1 month maybe, wala na, hindi na masarap kasi hinog na lahat. At nanghihinayang ako kasi pag nadadaanan namin ang dami-dami pang bunga, kaya lang wala nang dahon, yung bunga na lang ang nakikita mo, wala nang dahon. Ang dami-dami, oh. You look at this, Isay, Nain. Oh, you look at that. It has plenty. It has plenty, really. Oh, where is Daddy now? I'll just go back and wait for Daddy. I will just wait for him. Oh, he's still there at the counter. There's plenty of fruits.
Yeah, there's a lot this year.
Yeah. Can you pick those up until it ripens so well? So until it reaches that overripe.
What's that?
Can you finish picking them up before it will ripe?
Before it gets soft?
Yeah.
Yeah, most of it.
Because sometimes when we pass by here, no more leaves but plenty of fruits.
Yeah.
You're not going to pick that up anymore.
What?
You're not going to pick those up anymore.
I'm picking today.
When it has no more leaves.
No, I'll pick till they're all gone.
Oh. Plenty. There's a lot of fruits. Okay, we just bought what? Tomorrow we will come here again because we live nearby. Thank you. Thank you. Agawid kamin. Agawid kamin. Manungay bayad na dyan sa yute.
Hindi ko.
Manungay amin bayad na ata. 16? Inya berberukam.
Pagkita na po.
Ikatum gamin aja kargana. Tano maberukam. Baka dada na pandagan. Oh, ada. Oh, ada magaya. Makaidinom kan.
Hindi ko alam kung ata nung uminom takot nila mga kaulo.
Oh, that's the only things we bought, but it cost us
$16.
$16. Ikabi mo malang adi dyan. Okay. We're going home.
Narito ni.
Chay.
Ni nagado sabong na nagbabatit.
Ay, window mga tumakawaksa. Ay, madima ni. Agrukrul.
Pamatay dito.
Win kunana diya agpurpurus mapurus da kanu amin ingana nga awan itikwa
Bulong na.
awan ti bulong na ni na ikat dato ni so nga nagsubli ak ija kay kapit kuma dito ni ato.
Kita Vietnamese na kita. Hindi ka nag-garden.
Hindi ka man naman selama Mexican diya kinatungtong ko. Okay, we're going home now. That's all for now. Bye-bye.
Hindi na kita mag-harvest.